Hello friends, etiquettes to all viewers around the world. I am Altaf Malik, and once again I am at your service with a new letter review, and this is the letter. I will open it and let's see that what is written inside. This letter has come from United States Agency for International Development, Usaid, and what is written inside, you can see this is the letter of Usaid, and I read it. This letter has come 31 October 2013, and here written, Dear Mr. Malik, because I wrote them a letter about assistant because they were supporting the projects related to mother and child health care and some related, and I requested them to support me in this regard because I want to present stage programs, teleplay theaters in village area, remote areas of Azad Kashmir. And they replied me, thank you for your letter requesting assistance for organizing street theaters to create awareness about mother and child care and highlight importance of education among the village of Azad Kashmir. I greatly appreciate your enthusiasm and commitment for the noble cause. However, I regret to inform you that USAID Pakistan funding is fully programmed to support ongoing programs activities, and we do not have funds available to provide support for your request for funding. USAID generally undertake direct assistance programs through competitive grants and cooperative agreements. This ensures that all activities are concentrated on specific objectives to maximize impact and that they are consistent, mutually reinforcing, and draw support from the best available sources. Although we cannot support your request at this time, we encourage you to visit the Small Grants and Ambassador Fund program website regularly for information on new grant cycles and to apply for funding under a future cycle if interested. For more information about USAID program in Pakistan, please visit our website. We thank you for your inquiry and wish you every success in your endeavors. Sincerely, Victoria L. Machil, Chief Strategy and Budget Division, USAID. Because I wrote them, I heard from someone that USAID is supporting such kind of projects if you want to create awareness among the masses, especially those who are uneducated or those who are living far away in remote areas of villages and where there are no facilities of any other communications or information. So street theater is the best way to send your message of about mother and child health care, because due to the lack of knowledge there is so much complication in villages areas. Mothers do not care when they are pregnant or during their pregnancy. They do not care, they do not have the regular checkup, and if they don't have regular checkup, they finally face the complication during the birth of child. So I want to present programs on this topic to create awareness among those masses. And they replied me. After that I contacted the Ambassador Fund programs, and they shortlisted my application. They appreciated my application and shortlisted that applications. Then they sent me replies, and they demanded for some other informations, and I sent them. But finally my shortlist application was rejected due to that my organization was not registered with government. So because I was working privately, and they give this option that due to this reason we cannot support you. And I was contacting with others NGOs and organizations, and with some of I worked, such as I worked with the UNFPA, United Nations programs, United Nations Fund. I worked with them, and after that I stopped doing working because I was busy in some other projects, private projects, and for 2 years I worked with UNFPA. I staged the plays on mother and child health care for 2 years, and mega programs, and their funding is also good. And this was the review of today's letter.